In today's video, I'm going to teach you how the Wise debit card works and guide you through the process of ordering and using yours effectively. Whether you're traveling abroad or just looking to manage multiple currencies with ease, the Wise debit card can be a great tool in your financial arsenal. So let's get started. To begin, you'll need to either sign up or log into your Wise account. This process is straightforward, but keep in mind you will need to complete ID verification, which is essential for ensuring the security and legality of your transactions. Wise will guide you through these steps, prompting you to upload identification documents. It's important to ensure your information is up to date and accurate to avoid any hiccups during the verification process. Once you're logged in and verified, navigate to the Cards tab on the app or website. Here you will find the option to order your card. Simply tap the order card button and you'll be on your way. Next, you'll need to pay a one-time issuance fee for the card. This typically is around $9 or the equivalent in your local currency such as 10 Australian dollars. At this stage, it's also an option to fund your account with a small amount, around $20, to ensure you can start using your card as soon as it arrives. After you've completed these steps, the waiting game begins. Your physical Wise debit card will take anywhere from 3 days to 2 weeks to arrive, depending on where you live. When your card finally arrives, it's time to activate it. This can be done easily by making your first purchase using chip and PIN, or by performing an ATM withdrawal. Activation ensures your card is ready for use both online and offline. The Wise app also gives you the convenience of instantly creating a digital card. This is great for contactless payments, and you can add it directly to Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. With the digital card in hand, you can start using it just like any MasterCard or Visa, whether you're shopping online, making contactless in-store purchases, or withdrawing money from ATMs. Wise offers some perks that you won't want to overlook. For instance, your first 2 ATM withdrawals each month are free. However, it's important to note that there are some limits on this, varying by country. In the US, you can withdraw up to $100, while in the EU, it's capped at around €200. Once you exceed those limits, small fees will apply. One of the standout features of the Wise debit card is the use of the mid-market rate for spending within local or held currencies, meaning you avoid the typical foreign transaction fees associated with international purchases. This can save you a significant amount of money if you frequently deal with multiple currencies. Finally, the app provides superb control over your card. You can easily freeze or unfreeze it, view your PIN and CVV, and set spending or ATM withdrawal limits right from your phone. This flexibility ensures you have full control over your spending and can manage your finances more effectively. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has helped you understand how to order and use your Wise debit card. Happy spending.